Remove mounting system's bottom O-ring and then take off everything from the system except anything from the fiber gasket up. Slip mounting piece onto the pipe from the bottom up. Align the mounting piece with the 2 screw holes, then fasten the mounting piece on using the 2 screws. Screw on support ring. Slide the mount ring on and then push the cushion mount on. Step 9. Rotate the ring clockwise until tight. How to install disposal to dishwasher. Step 1. Using a blunt instrument, steel punch, or wooden dowel, knock out entire plug. Do not use screwdriver or sharp instrument when knocked out into disposer of simply grinding it up when the disposer is used. Step 2. Connect dishwasher hose using hose clamp. If hose is different, you will need a dishwasher connector kit. Plug into AC outlet and enjoy.